I'm going to show you how to use our styling spray in order to achieve a really beautiful face frame. This is quick and easy, takes less than 5 minutes, and can be done on dry hair. I applied the styling spray all over. I'm going to round down the top section with a round brush and use my blow dryer without the concentrator just to add some heat to that hair. Roll down and clip with a duckbill clip to cool. Second section, just adding styling spray. Roll down, add that heat, allow it to cool, roll down so that it keeps the shape, and clip. The last one, you just want to do 3 big sections on the top of your head. And as you can tell, they don't have to be perfect. Add that heat with the blow dryer. Did you guys know your hair actually stays where it cools? That's why setting it in these big curl sections is so important and so effective. I'm going to spray with some hairspray, allow that to sit, then take my styling spray, reattach the concentrator on my dryer, and curl the ends under. Last bit of hairspray one more time on the top. Then once everything is cooled, pull it down. You'll have a beautiful face frame. The reason the styling spray is such a great product is because it provides the hold that you need, along with volume, shine, thermal protection, and softness without feeling sticky. Finish with a little bit of hairspray, and I love this face frame. Easy to achieve in just a few minutes with our styling spray.